Hello guys, welcome to 3D Home, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to generate your automatic dimensions on your floor plan. Okay, so how to easily do this without wasting much of your time. So let's dive into the steps. Now let me first of all do away with this once, so that I'll show you the process. Okay, but before then let me show you something. You need this first dimension, capturing this offset, capturing this um windows, all the curtains and the rest. These are the first dimension. Second dimension is capturing all these capturing the recesses. Okay, if you check from the front now, you discover that this front one we have here, from here to here, this recess, you can see the recess here, and we have from here to here, this which is from here to here, and then we have from here to here, and from here again to here. These are those particular recesses. And then the last one is capturing the grid lines, these grid lines. Second to the last one, I mean, it's capturing the grid lines, and then the last one is capturing the total dimension of the building. So we're working with 4 dimensions here. Okay, so that's what we're going to be doing. All right, so now we're done with this. So to easily achieve all these things in a very short period of time, first thing you need to do is what? Highlight all the walls. Press and hold down your shift and highlight all the external walls, because we want to work on the external dimensions, automatic dimension. So you select all these external dimension, external walls. Okay, you select all the external walls, all the places you have recess and other things. So you first of all select the wall like this. Once you select the wall like this, the next thing you're going to be doing is click on this document. You click on document, you bring your cursor all the way to this annotation, right? You move it downwards to automatic dimension. This is automatic dimension. From here now, you bring it all the way to what? Exterior. Alright, this is exterior dimensions we're working on. You go to exterior dimensions and you then click once. Once you click once, now I used to uncheck this one. I used to uncheck this dimension structure, so that the walls, I will not select the walls. I've already done the internal dimension, so there's no need of me showing the wall spacings, alright, from the outside, or the wall offset from the outside. So those ones are already been done inside. Now I used to remove this one. So you remove this dimension structure, remove it. But if you generate it and you want to include this one, you can do it. But for me, I don't like going with it. So I remove it, and then here, see, this is outer surface. Alright, leave it on this outer surface. This one is automatically comes with this 500, so I will leave it with the 500 since the lines are 4, so I wouldn't want them to. This one actually means the offset between the lines. Okay, between these lines, the offset from here to here, this is the thing, this is where you set it to. Automatically it's on 500, but you can increase it to 7, 800 and the rest. Mind you, we might still temper with the spacings there. And then this is the most important thing you need to note: place dimensions on 4 sides. Remember, we selected all the 4 side walls. So let me shift it a little. We selected the 4 side, 1, 2, 3, 4. This face, front, right, back, right, front, and left. We selected all those 4 sides. So that is what this one means now. So you make sure it's clicked like this. Okay. And then now we click OK. Once you click on OK, the next thing you need to do, you see this plus sign. Now come all the way to any of this side. Click here, draw the line to the front, right? You see there's a hammer now. Then you click on this place, anyone. Make sure you click by the side. That's after where you draw the line. Click by the side. Now we have our dimension. These are our dimensions. So let's click on this one, drag it forward. Alright. Click on this one, drag it forward. Alright. These are our dimensions. Yeah, this one is already in front. But you notice that we have we have three dimensions. Our grid lines are not captured. So we have the first one, which is capturing the window openings, right, and the arcs. The second one now is capturing our recesses from here to here, from here now. So this back is capturing our recesses, right? And then the last one is capturing the entire one. But we need dimensions for grid lines, right? How do we do that now? What I normally do is I'll click on this last one, right? Click once, like I want to move it. I'll then tap Control to have a copy of this dimension like this. So this last one now will become our total, but for this middle one, I'll shift this one to the first grid like this. I'll shift this other side too. You click twice to this point. Then I'll click on this one again. Once I click on it, I'll tap my control and start clicking on the grid lines. Automatically it will start giving me the dimensions. So click on the grid lines like that, like that, like that. So what we are doing basically now is that we have generated, you see, we have generated our grid dimension. So we are done with this side. And for this side, you click again, drag, make a copy of it, and then move this one, okay? Move this one forward and move this one backward. Click on the grid, click on the dimension rather, and hold down your control button and start clicking on these grid lines. And it will be generating the dimensions. Alright, so you see we are doing that. So we are done with the right one as fast as that. Now for the front, you click again, make a copy of it. Click on this one, shift this to the grid. Mind you, is the grid we're working on. Alright, same thing. Click on the dimension and start clicking on the grid lines. This, like this, like this. So now we are done with the front. And for the back, same thing. Click, bring it backward. Click on this one. Drag it inside. Drag it inside. Alright. Now click on this one. Click, click. We're clicking on the grid lines now. And then boom. We are done. So what would take you like an hour, we've done it in how many minutes? So this is how simple it is. You can use it to generate as as many dimensions in just few minutes, okay? So the reason why it's not that fast because I'm actually tutoring, so I have to be taking it step by step. But if I'm to do it on my own, within minutes I'm already done. If maybe 5 minutes, 5 minutes is even too much. Let's just say maybe like 2 minutes, I'll be done with it. So practice it and you discover that it's very, very fast and you like it. So thank you so much for your time. And if you find the video helpful, if you find it helpful, please subscribe. Alright? Subscribe, share, and comment. I'll see you on our next tutorial.